Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring something beautiful and deeply meaningful, the Zulu beads and Saudi jewelry traditions. These aren't just accessories, they are symbols of identity, status, love, and heritage. Now let's take a closer look at how two vibrant cultures wear their history. Firstly, let's look at the Zulu beadwork origins and symbolism. In Zulu culture, beadwork is an ancient form of communication. Traditionally, beads were crafted by women and used to send silent messages. Each color has a specific meaning. For example, blue stands for loyalty, red is for love and passion, black is for marriage or rebirth, and white is for purity or spirituality. A beaded necklace or bracelet could express love, rejection, or mourning, all without saying a word. Now let's look at Saudi jewelry, origins, and meaning. Now let's journey to Saudi Arabia, where gold jewelry is not just for show. It's often passed down through generations as both an investment and tradition. Gold symbolizes wealth, femininity, and status. During weddings, engagements, or Eid, women adorn themselves in elaborate gold necklaces, bangles, and earrings, often gifted by family. While Zulu beadwork tells emotional stories, Saudi gold reflects social standing and family heritage, both equally powerful in their expression. Zulu beadwork is handcrafted, often using wire and thread to create intricate patterns. These designs vary by region and family, forming a strong sense of community and belonging. While in Saudi culture, jewelry is usually made by professional goldsmiths using intricate techniques passed down through generations. The designs may include geometric patterns or Quran inscriptions, blending faith with fashion. In both cultures, creating these pieces is an act of devotion, whether it's to family, faith, or community. Now let's talk about the modern relevance. Today, both traditions are evolving. Modern Zulu beadwork appears on runways, red carpets, and even in activism, proudly representing African identity. Young designers are blending tradition with new age fashion. In Saudi Arabia, jewelry remains deeply rooted in tradition, but has also become a form of personal style. Many women now wear gold pieces as everyday fashion while still honoring their heritage. Whether you're wearing beads or bangles, it's a powerful statement of where you come from and who you are. We have come to the end of our video. So, which speaks to you more? The stories told through Zulu beads or the legacy carried in Saudi gold? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed learning about these beautiful traditions, like this video. Subscribe for more culture-rich content and hit the bell so you don't miss our next story. Until next time, keep learning and keep connecting.